research scientist and singer-songwriter based in Perth, Western Australia, Noongar country. Today, we mark World Nature Conservation Day, a day to highlight the importance of preserving our natural resources and protecting our environment and wildlife. I want to share with you my newest single, Crocodilian Complication, a song inspired by the tricky relationship between humans and crocs. It's the wildest song I have ever written. Listen out for the lyric Dunga Laba, which is Larrakian for saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is a familiar totem in many cultures around the world. I debuted this song at the conference of the International Union for the Conservation of Nature in Darwin earlier this year. While in Darwin, I got to appreciate these amazing crocs in the wild. I invite you to listen to Crocodilian Complication on your favorite streaming app. Just search for me, Rina Fu. See you next time.
Can we share?